What's up guys? So in this class I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna collect the data from the HTML to the PHP, then we will update the data because we are in an editing area. This is the edit user area. I'm gonna work on that. So I'm gonna get the data from this form, the edit user form, the username, the email address, the password, and the contact number. I'm gonna get all them and the hidden input where I just saved the edit ID as well. So let's just go down. You know that the edit email, edit password, edit contact number, and the edit user ID. So go down here and the edit user, edit password, or the edit password first. Well, I should create the edit email first. There is no issue, but just for making the document more readable. Now something more we need to apply, the SQL injection, the MySQL array escape string, because anyone can put the content escape string, cut that, and then the connection first, because that this function is database associated, then a comma. I just put it the comma already. Then the strip tags, because anyone can put these tags inside them. So now save, go down, and here I'm just gonna create the edit email and MySQL real escape string, CONN first, then the strip tags again. Oh sorry, tags. Now here inside the script tags, edit email as I created at the top, and then the password, MySQL fetch, sorry not the fetch, the real escape string, the CONN first, then the strip tags, and cut that one, paste inside, and then remove this $sign because this is a function. Now the next one, the edit contact number, $edit contact number, real escape string, the con strip tags, post, and the edit contact number. That is perfect actually. Now press another enter, and what more is required? Just simply make the edit SQL, or you can say the UPSQL, means the update SQL or whatever. Now the update query is update. What do you want to update? I just want to update the users table. Users table, update users. Now set, then type the field which you just want to update, or the column name which you just want to update, and then the value. Then at the very last we will be mentioning that we just want to update only the specific raw, and the raw will be, yeah exactly, we just need to receive the raw as well. So the edit ID equal to this. I can get this directly because it's not coming through the user hand. Post edit user ID. Okay, go down. This user ID is also coming from the top one, the top form here, the user edit user ID, okay, which has the edit ID. And what is the edit ID? The edit ID, well, instead of this one, I can get the edit ID through the raws. How? Just simply by getting them. But when the UID and the edit ID is same, so there is no issue that I can use the edit ID or the UID directly. So by the way, the edit ID is actually the UID. Well, I'm just gonna put some content here just after the set. I just need to go to the browser and to check that out. First of all, the name, email, password, date, and contact number. I'm not gonna update the date for now. So the name, this name is coming from the database, and I'm just gonna set the value, the new value for the name as in a single quote. This is necessary. The edit user. Okay, now the name will be the edit user. Add a comma for another value. This way is a little bit different from the insert way, but this is looking perfect and actually more easy to understand. The next one is the edit, sorry, not the edit, the email. The email is also coming from the database. The edit email, comma, the password, edit password, and another comma, the password, and the contact number equal to edit contact number. Now we must need to add the where clause here, because if you just don't do that, then what will happen, actually the whole result will be updated, the whole rows will be updated, the complete table. So now I'm just adding the where clause and the where uid equal to edit id. Okay, now this edit id is coming from the form. So now save, and then what we need to do, we just need to use the MySQL query, and again I'm just gonna run this query in an if block query, cut that and paste here, and go inside and the edit, first the CONN, then the edit SQL. Now if it works, then again I'm just gonna break the PHP tags and the script again. This script is a JavaScript method dot location equal to index.php. What it does, it actually will clear the caches of the post or the get method. So go there and refresh the page. Well, refresh the page, and now you can create a new user. But if you just click on this one, the Michael, so now just change the Michael into Mike, IKE, and click on done editing. So now the Michael is actually, oh, it became the done editing. That means we just need to check that out with that what we did here. The edit user, we are just updating the name as the edit user. The edit user is the edit user from the top. I just need to go to the top, and here this is the insert new user, this is the edit form. Wow, the submit button has the same name, the edit user. The input has the same name, that the edit user. So it should be the edit user btn. Now go to down, and here the edit user btn. Now save, and I'm going back to the browser and refresh the page. So now just select this done editing and just remove the done editing and type the Mike now and click on done editing. So now this is Mike. Click back on it, and now the email address I'm changing as Mike, and click on done editing. Now the mike@abcd.com, and in the same way you can update all these things. So basically the delete, the edit, the insertion, the selection, all them are working here. That means it's a simple CRUD I just teach you. So guys, in the next class we'll learn some more things. Stay tuned and goodbye.